Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add numbering or bullet point in your Samsung Notes app. Now first, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. On the home screen, swipe up to go into app screen and open up Samsung Notes app. In here, open up a note that you would like to edit. And then tap on the edit button to go into edit mode. Next, go down to the section where you would like to use the numbering or the bullet point. And then in the toolbar, tap on this button right here. And then if you want to use bullet point in text style, tap on bullet point if you want to use bullet point. If you want to use numbering, then you tap on numbering. And in here, we're going to insert the number first. So first, then tap on enter, second, third, and fourth. And as you can see, that's how you can insert numbering. Now we can indent the text and use the bullet points. So here we can see first point, second point, and so on. And if you tap on it twice, then you can close the bullet points to finish off. And I'm just going to reverse indent back to my beginning of the paragraph. And that's it. So yeah, you can see that is how you can use the numbering system and the bullet point in your Samsung Notes app. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.